Good morning, everyone. Today we are back with another chapter. So, today we will start another book that we have in our syllabus, that's Footprint Without Feet. That's the supplementary book that we have in our syllabus. So, we will start with chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. It's written by James Herriot. So, James Herriot himself is a British veterinary surgeon and writer. So, basically, all his writings or his stories are based on his real experience. So, the stories that he have written are basically on the clients or the treatments that he has given to the pets or the animals, right? So, here a triumph here means to succeed or to win or to get victory over something, right? That means to get victory over something. That means they have got the victory over surgery. That means the surgery went good, they have succeeded it, right? So now we should start with the story. So let us first discuss about the three characters, right? The first character is Mrs. Pumphrey. The second character is the Tricky. Tricky is the dog that the pet that Mrs. Pumphrey has. So Mrs. Pumphrey is a mistress and Tricky is his pet, right? And Harriet is a veterinary surgeon. She regularly comes to Harriet for the treatment of Tricky, right? So Tricky here is an over pampered and overfed dog. That means Mrs. Pumphrey is very obsessed with her dog and she kept on feeding him all the time. She always keeps on giving him sweets, junk food. So he is not feeling well and he turns fat. He turns very fat. So let's start with the story. The story begins when writer was going somewhere by his car and he saw Mrs. Pumphrey and his dog walking. So he was worried to see him. So as he has become very fat and looked like a sausage. So he looked like a sausage with 4 legs attached to each corner. And writer was just about to ask about Tricky, but Mrs. Pumphrey started giving her own justification. She said that I was trying not to feed him junk food or sweets, but I thought he would suffer from malnutrition. That she said that if she will not give him proper food or something, then he will suffer from malnutrition. So she was giving him everything to eat because he was used to eat for a long time. He was eating after 1 hour. He will eat everything that you will give him. So she said that she liked eating sweets and everything, so she can't refuse him. Although doctor has all asked her to keep Tricky away from sweets, but she could not. Tricky was not doing exercise and he was just going for a walk and nothing else. Nothing exercise he was doing, so he was getting very fat and he was lethargic, he was lazy, he was not able to run and like other dogs, he was not active. So, and he was just eating all the day. Then she left, but the doctor was really concerned. After a few days, he got a call saying that Tricky is not well, he is not moving and is not even eating his favorite food. So he suggested that, so doctor thought that now he should go himself to the house of Mrs. Pumphrey and should take Tricky with himself to the hospital or to the, you can say, here it is said that he should be hospitalized, or then he just suggested that he should be hospitalized for few days, for fortnight, and then he will only feel better. So he himself went to his house with all his staff and he got all the stuff that Tricky had because he was over pampered. He had coats for winters, and he has raincoats for summers, for rainy seasons, and everything. He had different dresses. So he himself went to Mrs. Pumphrey house and took all the material of the dog and went to the surgery. So when he came back, the doctor decided to give him only water, that he will not give him anything, he will just only give him water, enough of water, more and more of water to drink, and he will not give him anything. So Tricky was surrounded with a lot of other dogs also who were sniffing around him. The first day Tricky just laid down with dull eyes, and the doctor was serving him only plenty of water. Then at the second day, when he started taking interest in the surroundings, and the third day he started whimpering to other dog sounds. So what happened that one day he was doing nothing, and the next day he started taking interest in other things, because he had, at his surgery, he has a lot of dogs there. So what happened that after 3 days he was just reacting to other dog sounds and all those things. And then what happened, when the writer opened the door, then Tricky went outside with other dogs and went to the yard. Slowly Tricky was progressing. He had no medical treatment. He just ran with other dogs. He was just spending time with other dogs. He was just running. He was just moving here and there. He discovered joy in it, because he has never gone through this kind of things, because he was just over-pampered. He was just staying at home. He was doing nothing. He was just going for a walk. He was not active. He was not playing with anyone. That's why. So he had never had such time in his life. So meanwhile Mrs. Humphrey called the doctor. She started sending eggs to build his strength, but he was not given any. So she started sending dozens of eggs for her dog. But what Harriet was doing, he was just eating the eggs himself. He and his staff members were eating all those eggs, right? So they were not giving any of the eggs to the dog. So, and later on she started sending the wine also. So they were just drinking the wine in lunch or casual. So they were just enjoying the thing that was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey, but they were not giving anything to the dog. So it was very temptation to keep Tricky as permanent guest, because the permanent guest, that means they want to say that they should keep Tricky for a long time, because then they will get good food and wine to drink. But slowly he was playing around, and he was enjoying very well. So that's why they, after 2 weeks, then he called Mrs. Pumphrey that now he is recovering, and now he is feeling very well, so she can now take him away. So when he called him, then she just came in around 30 minutes outside the hospital or the surgery. Then she asked the doctor that is he really well, is he really better, that she was just in so much of tension that how will be his dog and how he will be going through all these conditions. Then she asked Harriet that is his dog really well. Then he said that yes, he is better now. So he replied in affirmative. So he just went to the garden to fetch him. So he just asked Mrs. Pumphrey that he will fetch the dog for her. So he went to the garden and took him. In 2 weeks he had turned into lithe and hard muscled animal. Lithe means flexible, that he has turned more flexible. Earlier he was fat, he could not move properly, and he could not run. But in 2 weeks, because he was not fed, he was not given any food, he was just given water to drink. So he was lithe, he has become flexible, he was more active, he was looking really good, and he was in a nice position right now. So when Tricky saw his mistress, he took he just ran into from the hands of the doctor and sat on in the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey. So she was very overwhelmed to see him back. Then Mrs. Pumphrey got really emotional and thanked Harriet for it and said that this is triumph of surgery, that you have made my dog fine and he's well now. This is a victory to a surgery that he has done, right? So she was not knowing that what medical treatment the doctor was giving to the dog. She was just thinking that he would have given him some medical treatment or he have done some surgery or whatever, but the basic thing was that the doctor has done nothing, right? The doctor has just eliminated the food. He was not feeding him anything, he was just giving him water.